Good everyone, Liz here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is exactly 17th of October 2022. I'll be analyzing core lithium once again. This is a stock that we have been trading over and over and over again. As you can see on our YouTube channel, this very same channel that we're following. If you have been subscribing our channel in April last year, we did our first trade with CXO, which was trading about 32 cents. Core lithium has been exciting, remarkably profitable for us, and most of the time that we actually edit a video and post on YouTube is the time that we actually trading this stock as well. And the full disclosure, we are trading core lithium as we speak, and the reason also, obviously, I might be in trouble with some of our VIP members because this is a exclusive VIP member entry. I think the best time to actually talk about a stock is when the stock is at the in buying area, which a lot of people like chatting about stocks that are over priced or in the hype or in the FOMO area. This is the reason I want to talk about core lithium. First of all, incredibly profitable for us and our VIP members. Secondly, the stock's now currently trading at what we call technically discounted price. I'm going to teach you why CXO is currently trading at technically discounted price if you don't know yet. And then also I'm going to put all the elements, all the indicators, the KPIs that we use to find out why we think this is the time. This is the time that we wanted to be in the stock, in the position. That's in this video. So let's have a look. Guys, I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more. All in this channel. So if you like, please share this video. Share this video with someone that you believe could be interested. Also, subscribe the channel, of course. And then I would like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. I post a lot of great quality content, stock market analysis, some even entry opportunities as well, and some of our results. As I said before, core lithium results are all in this group. Last time we traded, and then, by the way, when we post a result, we have real proof. You know, they're real results with real proof. So we closed up 50% profit on this position here on CXO. However, past positions we've done over 70%, which is incredibly good for a company like this, which is still a small cap company. So all you need to do is I want to find out our results or some stock analysis. You just go to searching tool. This is the stock analysis exclusive for our members. Don't have to be VIP member to have access to some of them. But this is some of our trades. So this is back in January, which we done 71% out of CXO. And obviously we trade many of the stocks. That's September last year, 31%. And then look, real results from real trades. So that's what we do here at BG Trading. So now let's understand a little bit. This company for me is the third best lithium and I classify as investment grade stock at the moment for core lithium, just for the fact that the Phoenix project, which is the flagship project for the company, has come up online. Company also, when I talk company, obviously core lithium also has signed up really compelling offtake agreements. It is an essential part of Tesla supply chain for lithium as well, and that's exactly what we wanted to be into a company that is set to bring revenue in, signing up offtake agreements with solid companies. And the fact, and I'm going to say again, the fact that Core Lithium is actually done this agreement with Tesla has put the company, the stock, on the radar of a lot of institutional investors. So it's very important to understand that. And then for us, again, like it's the third best ASX stock in terms of investment grade. For trading. For me, CXO is one of the best lithium stocks for trading, and I'm going to show you in the chart in a minute. All right, so great trading stock, also great investment opportunity in lithium at the current price. Okay, it's a very different when the stock's trading 50-70% above the price that we are talking about now. All right, but at this price, it is for us a great investment opportunity. Now, the latest things happening behind the scenes is that the company has successfully raising $100 million, more or less, at 103 per share in institutional placement. Also, there was departure of the CEO. Then they brought a new CEO in, a CEO that was capable now to look forwards, bringing new offtake agreements. That's exactly what we want in this type of company, and also one that has compelling experience. Also, just today we had some news that one of the directors also resigning. The company is switching from the phase from this like 7-8 years of exploration phase, development phase, to a producer. And that's why we need to have a capable, like more capable people. I'm not saying these guys before wasn't capable, but they were really good, really successful what they wanted to do and deliver the company with the flagship project online. Now we need people that are capable to bring offtake agreements to expand its capacity, and that's exactly what's happening at the moment. So for me, most of the information are green ticks, and then that's why I'm very interested on this stock, trading this stock over and over again. Now let's jump into the technical side of that. As I said, I was going to disclose some of the actually most of the indicators that we use. First thing we do, we use a Heikenach candles for this type of analysis that we're looking at. So a Heikenach candle, not in all platforms, but it's available in most of platforms, but not in all platforms. Okay, is it a Heikenach candle essential? Well, it helps us to look into a chart and see the tendency, the momentum. That's, you can see like it's clear momentum. If I take this Heikenach away, so we have a lot of perturbation, a lot of dirty spots here that sort of can we can look at those red candles and maybe assume this could be a reversal and it could start falling. But once we change to Heikenach, you see it's clear. And we can see a clear momentum to the upside here, then a clear momentum to the downside, with exception those two candles. But anyway, and then upside, downside. And now what we have here after this capital raising is a strong consolidation, of the stock. Now, first KPI that I always looked into bullish and bearish intersections. What is the bullish intersection, the last bullish intersection, and what is the bearish intersection? And then we mitigate our risk. And then also the second KPI is to see whether the stock is still in uptrend, which is at the moment. So now let's jump to bullish intersection. Understand what bullish intersection is when this yellow line crosses the red line. That's when you have a bullish intersection, when it crosses from below to the top, and the bearish intersection is just the opposite way. Okay, but give us a good guidance whether we should really take a countermeasure in terms of stock crashing or falling or correcting, or we are in a, like say, a hypothetically pretty safe position. And at the moment, anyone trading after bearish intersection should really take into consideration setting up stop losses and make sure if eventually the stop loss is taken to actually act. And don't hold on the way down, but always the way up. That's the whole idea, right? But then we have what we call a bullish and bearish intersection level 2. This is the level 1 intersections, guys. And then we have a level 2 here, which is basically happening as we speak. And that's one of the reasons I decided to record this video. A little bit of education and a little bit of for you understanding what we look into as well. Obviously, the fundamentals and the announcements, but from the technical perspective, this is what we're looking at. What we wanted to do is we wanted to find where an intersection like this. You see the candles crossing the yellow line and then trading above the yellow line for a while. Where this going to happen again, right? Where is going to happen again? And today we have some very interesting formation and a couple of indicators that suggesting that we after this consolidation we might see a rally. First of all, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics are all favorable for a rally anyway, which are two massive green ticks for us. Now, secondly, we have a gradually increase of volume on the upside here on this consolidation. As you can see here, it's still 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but by the end of the day, we're definitely going to have a green candle on the volume here, which means the volume would be confirmed to be increasing, and therefore suggesting that more people start sort of trade this stock, buy or sell this stock. But then obviously when you have green days like this, that means that people are buying. The inflow cash into the stock, it's higher than the outflow, and that's what we want, really. So consolidation is very healthy here. Also, the fact, and this is compared to other stock, a great quality company, which is currently trading what we call technically discounted price. Why technically discounted price on the short term? Because you see the red line here? It's one of major indicator that we use to find whether the stock is at the FOMO area or not. Because if it is at the FOMO area, we're not going to buy it. We just stay out, watch, wait, miss the opportunity. We don't care, but we just don't buy stock if it's in the FOMO area. It's too risky, extremely risky, and the downside is most of the time is greater than the upside. Now, at the current formation, as you can see here, CXO is trading what we call 10% below the SMA. And that means for BG trading strategy, that the stock's trading at technically discounted price. Guys, this is a technically discounted price stock that represents a great quality company into a macroeconomic macro environment that is completely favorable, great demand for lithium, and they start producing. I mean, look, it's no-brainer at this stage. And obviously, we got those assumptions right all the time for core lithium, and we've been trading core lithium many times. It is for us the whole stock market. If you've been following us long enough, we trade stock market. We don't invest, we trade. Because if we're investing, we would be holding this stock from a year or 2 years ago. Now we're just trading because there's so much opportunities trading stock like this. For example, look at those upside here. See the upside? This upside here, you buy around here, that will be 102% profit just on this trade. And then, as you can see, obviously you're not going to pick the bottom and the top, but let's say what we done here, we lock in 70% out of this 100%, which is pretty good. Now then, the stock goes down pretty much all the way that it's gone up, all right? And then 50%. So if you buy at the FOMO area, that's why we need to have a strategy. If you buy the FOMO area at the top here, you would see your money going down 50%. You probably would freak out and sell the stock. So you don't buy there, but you buy at the technically discounted price. And then you see another rally here of 82%. And I want to talk about those rallies. We talk about a couple of months rally. So it's really quick, extremely quick. And if you compare to blue chip stock, most of blue chip stocks take years to happen. That's why we love trading. That's why we know there are great opportunities for trading stocks, and this is one of them. Okay, and then again, like down by 39%, and then now we are into this position, and then our indicators showing a potential reversal happening as we speak after this consolidation, after this capital raising, and I can I can confirm, I can be very confident that buying today at least 20 to 30% profit opportunity in the next couple of months. That's what I think here. And then I so much think that I'm invested on this stock. And that's just based on the same assumptions that we've been taking the market over and over again. And I have proven to be effective, those statements and those strategies. So for Collected, for us, it is a buying opportunity because of that. But then obviously, if the stock is trading at 160, probably would have missed the boat already. Same if you have bought. If you're looking at the stock here and you're not in Collected, you'd have missed the boat here. It would be too high to buy. So next time is in 160. Although I believe there could be a breakout to all-time high, as lithium prices hit all-time high in China. That's just last night. Lithium prices have risen 108% in 2022. We see the flagship lithium companies rising, most of them breaking out. But the thing I like correlation, first of all, is not just because we've been trading many times, but it is an Australian-based project. If you're following us, you know how important Australian-based project is for us in terms of confidence. You don't have any geopolitical bullshit or problems that could happen along the way. You've seen what happened about 2 years ago with gold company that we held. It was Resolution Mine, gold company, which had problem with one of the mines in Africa. So we're really trying to avoid companies that has its project offshore, especially in countries like Africa, in Africa sort of thing. But Core Lithium doesn't have that problem. Give us a lot of confidence. And look, I honestly believe that Core Lithium will definitely break out in the next, at least in the next 6 months. But in the next 2 to 3 months, I would expecting a 20 to 40% upside from this chart formation. Our VIP members know the targets, know how to chase the target, and I know that we have different targets. We have different strategies as well. So obviously, if you're interested, take a look at bgtrading.com.au and become a member if you want. That will, before investing, I think that will be a great investment to understand a strategy. If you don't have strategy, you really need to have a strategy. It doesn't have to be BG trade strategy, but there's so many other strategies in the market. So pick one that you believe could be effective, and then and do it. But make sure you have a strategy. Don't just go and buy things and wait for 2 years. Make no sense. Absolutely no sense. All right, guys. This is Core Lithium. Pretty long video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please put in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.